Mighty Detailing covers everything from the smallest shop to a full-blown tunnel wash. And when I say smallest shop, I mean we sell tire dressing and tire dressing only to tire stores. They're not even in the detailing business, but they dress tires. We sell detailing supplies to small 1- and 2-man detailing operations. We sell them to dealerships where there's 15 people in detail. It's a full line product offering with something for everyone. And if there's a wax that doesn't work for you, we have one that does. Mighty Detailing products come in many different sizes. There's a lot of products that will come in a 1 gallon, 5 gallon, or 55 gallon drum. The good thing is everything's really concentrated. A 1 gallon bottle of car wash soap will make many, many, many 5 gallon buckets of soap, so it'll go a long ways.
With so many different detail products out there, there's so much that's available to the general public. And with the VS7 detail products, it's a professional product. This is something that's not available to just your average person walking into a parts house. I love the product. I love the way it works. It's really easy to handle, and the overall quality is just really there to compare to other products that's out there.